South Asia is experiencing rapid development, with GDP in 2017 growing between 5 to 7% in Bangladesh, Nepal and Sri Lanka. One of the contributing factors in this growth is the increasing development across industries and construction sector. Metals like stainless steel, aluminum and copper are used heavily in the construction sector. More than 60% of the steel is consumed to create new infrastructure in developing countries. With the growing pressure on energy and water resources, the only way to sustain an economic edge is through resource efficiency. The adoption of resource-efficient cleaner production (RECP) measures in the metal industry will help improve economic and environmental performance, including a significant reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. The Acid Loop project worked with 106 metal finishing companies across India to improve their operations and reduce their resource use. This project was funded by the European Union under the Switch Asia program. The aim of this program was to promote sustainable consumption and production in Asia. The successful implementation of Acid Loop paved the way for a more ambitious multi-country project, METABUILD. METABUILD is a European Union-funded 4-year project under the Switch Asia program, which is working towards sustainable consumption and production in 400 small and medium enterprises in the metal sector across Bangladesh, Nepal and Sri Lanka. This project is implemented by 7 partners. And just within a year, companies have started profiting from the METABUILD project by implementing simple measures such as use of natural light, installation of steam pipelines, and continuous feeding of GI sheets. This is how the Resource-Efficient Cleaner Production or RECP is implemented in various SMEs. For more information, log on to www.metabuild-southasia.org.